Okay, this is a back in 2009 I installed these drives as a test case, like a case study. This is a Danfoss FC-102 variable speed drive, which we currently use, and this is a factory bypass unit. So this entire assembly was ordered from Danfoss and is as close to off the shelf as you can get. So you will notice that the drive is on the left and it has a disconnect switch to disconnect the drive power, and then you have the bypass cabinet on the right, and you have the main disconnect switch that kills everything, kills the drive and bypass portion. Up here you have a pilot light to indicate if you're in bypass, and then you have a drive off bypass switch. That's the only controls you have that are hardwired. The other control with this is, let me see if I can focus here. It has a hand on switch and an auto on. I don't know if that's going to work there. So turn the drive on, you put it in auto, and you have the switch in drive, and then you're waiting for a DDC. And then you will get a DDC speed signal. If you want manual control, you would put it in hand, and I don't know if that's focusing there. Put it in hand, and you have to use manual speed control, and that will start the drive. When you hit hand, it will turn it on. So you can't separate the speed signal from the start command whatsoever. Now, over here we have the same thing. I'm taking the cover off, and you will see that the drive on the left here has integrated fuses built right into the drive and an integrated disconnect switch. So what happens when they add those items on, it increases the lead time, so it kind of makes it not really off the shelf anymore. Those are two options that customize the drive, and they're obviously required to have. You can't delete those when you have this whole setup, the whole Danfoss package. And then the bypass section over here, we've got the incoming line fuses, we've got the disconnect, we've got a contactor for the bypass, overload relay, contactor for the drive, a relay board, and up here this horizontal board has a 24 volt power supply built into it that only provides enough power to operate what's contained in the drive. So you can't use any external, you can't use any of this power for external devices like EPs or other relays or what have you. So typically with this type of configuration with the drive and the bypass cabinets that we're currently getting, we have a control transformer in there because we use external devices that require 120 volt control power. So this setup doesn't have it. It's for a cooling tower, so we didn't really need it, so this was a good application for it. But anyway, this is a peek at this, and I hope you guys ask some questions about it so I can go into it a little bit deeper. But I'm going to try to dig up from 2009 the cost of this unit, when I ordered it, and what the lead time was, so I can try to make a similar comparison. So okay, that's it for this one.